Bloodborne pathogens are a set of infectious human pathogens which can be found in human blood. They can either be viral, bacterial, or fungal in nature. Hepatitis C, hepatitis B, and HIV are the most common bloodborne pathogens found in the population. Initial infection presents with mild to severe cold or flu-like symptoms. Another thing that makes these viruses particularly problematic is that after the initial symptoms, you might have a long latent period that can be months or years long. In this latent period, individuals who are infected are still infectious to other people and can transmit the disease, but may be asymptomatic. Once acute symptoms start to present, they're generally life-threatening and include severe liver failure or even AIDS. Although these viruses are generally transmitted through intimate contact, in the workplace, the most common form of transmission is through direct skin puncture or exposure to a mucosal membrane. The route of exposure that is of greatest concern is direct introduction into the bloodstream, because this has the highest potential chance of producing an active infection. While blood and otherwise potentially infectious materials are at the core of the OSHA bloodborne pathogen standard, by far the most common type of material found on a research campus are human cell lines. All human cell lines must be handled with biosafety level 2 containment and universal precautions. Universal precautions is the concept that any materials that could harbor bloodborne pathogens do. As long as researchers working with these sorts of materials apply the engineering and work practice controls outlined in the exposure control plan and the biosafety manual, they should be relatively safe from infection. You can find the University Exposure Control Plan, as well as other useful information, including the Bloodborne Pathogen Standard, on the Environmental Health and Safety website. Anyone that engages in this sort of research has the right to receive the hepatitis B vaccination. This vaccination is highly effective and can be received free of charge. For more information, please fill out the declaration form on our website. What do you do if you are exposed to a biohazardous material? The most important thing to do is to wash the affected area with soap and water. If materials got in your eyes, wash them at an eye wash station. Next, make sure to contact RICMS. They should be able to take you to a physician immediately. Please don't wait too long to seek medical attention. Prophylactic treatments are available and they're highly effective, but it's imperative that you receive them immediately. After you receive medical attention, it's important for you to fill out an accident injury report as well as an employer's first report of injury or illness. Both of these forms can be found on our website.